Ka Shuh ha kesngi baar kelapan pau ya kejing Sngewkhia babon na kito ki balik pule Mbbs degree na ke general category hapo ka baha jong ke Jylla Kim Wan Phai Shuh ban Shakr ka Jylla. Haba klan cikilat patai kubor hadien baya kendu ya ke menteri ke koi ke kia ke kong ampreling do u education secretary ke KSU ba pen kemenlang sanmiet ula ong ba kilak saki babon na kito ki balayo ya ke Mbbs seats hapo ke general category na ka baha ka Jylla ki snem balalek kila persyang barbor banjan hadien ba kila Pyndep ya ki Mbbs degree ne kiting pule doktor.
Today was uh, an interaction with, I had an interaction with the KSU Education Cell on the proposed implementation of allocation of seats for medical studies, MBBS, by the state of Meghalaya. So the first thing was that we have seen a proportionate increase in numbers of seats allocated to the state of Meghalaya from its first allocation. Today, state in 2023 academic session, we got 94 seats. We hope that these numbers of seats will continue to proportionately increase in allocation. We are having some observations that are pertinent to the shortage of doctors in the state of Meghalaya. So alongside this allotment of seats by Government of India, the KSU and I had a conversation on the status of the medical college. And yes, both the medical colleges, the third medical college, which is the Botany Hut Institute of USTM, and the USTM Institute also is progressing very well. We will have to have certain consultations with regards to the matters of doctors engaged in the teaching posts. So doctors in the state of Meghalaya retire like other government employees. There is an urgent need now to review this, especially for the doctors who are going to be engaged in the teaching profession. So that is something that we need to do. The other thing is that why is it that from year to year we are increasing the numbers of seats for medical college studies for the students of Meghalaya? Why is it that we still have this huge shortage? So we're going to be reviewing the bond. We're going to review all these important concerns to ensure that doctors who avail this from the state of Meghalaya return to the state of Meghalaya. So we are engaging with actively with the law department, where we will be reviewing and revisiting this policy, so that we ensure that our doctors, our students who get into this privilege of getting these allocation of seats away from NEET qualification to a large extent, come back to the state of Meghalaya to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya. Then we were also able to attend to the problem that we had last year. We had a consult on that as well. Who are the eligible beneficiaries for an allotment of MBBS seat by the government of Meghalaya? The whole controversy that surrounded the PRC issuance of TCs. So all of that now is in better position, and we hope that as and when the court gives the nod to the government of India to start NEET counselling, we hope that by then we will be better placed and we will be able to do necessary interventions to ensure that all of these matters are attended to. Because for a very, very long time, doctors graduating from privileges given by state are seen not to come back to state. So all of that will be attended to, and we hope that as we see that there is competition in the application of the MBBS seat allotment, there should also be a responsible return to the state of Meghalaya.